There was cave painting a while ago in the prehistoric times, and this is the sequel. Basically, the challenge is to spend as much time drawing as humanly possible. I think we're just trying to get really close to the physical act of drawing.
We wake up and we draw, and then we go to sleep. So it's been a really, really awesome journey. I can really shut my brain off and focus and meditate. And I think that like being in the space, not necessarily having to deal with outside work or commitments or a schedule has been some of the most like stress-free period of time for us both.
I'm very grateful to be able to experience what it's like to just willingly make the choice to be this involved in a project.
There's so much to be said about maybe the artistic value of this act that we're doing, but also it is a performance. So many gallery exhibitions, the work is completed beforehand, you install it and you're finished. The prospect of something that develops over the course of time that you would maybe want to come and see every day was far more exciting to us rather than kind of something one and done. And I think that there's value in that as well.
This is kind of a love letter to drawing, and we hope to inspire people to value it like we do.